Hello, today we are going to talk about how you can create snaps for your 3D printing model in Blender. So let's start the video. First, we will add a plane for cutting and adjust its size according to your model depending on where you want to cut it. Then go to the Modify tab and apply the Solidify modifier and adjust its value. Then apply it. Now select the plane, then the model and press Ctrl Shift minus. This will cut it. If it doesn't cut, go to Preferences and enable the Bool tool add-on. Now go into edit mode and press L to select the cut part of the model that we just created and press P to separate it. Now we will make the snap, so for that we will add a cylinder. The top part will have the cylinder joined and the bottom part will have the snap. So we will select the bottom part and duplicate the cylinder. Then select the cylinder and the model piece and press Ctrl Shift minus. So it will turn into this shape. Then select the duplicated cylinder and select the top piece. And scale the cylinder down a bit so that it fits properly after printing. Now first select the cylinder, then the model and press Ctrl Shift plus, and that's it. Our snap is ready. I made the tongue and the eyes snaps the same way. So today we learned how to create snaps for 3D printing models. Thanks.